One of my favorite fast food restaurants is Taco Bell, and one of my favorite things to get at Taco Bell is the quesadilla. And if you've ever ordered a quesadilla at Taco Bell, usually they'll ask you, would you like creamy jalapeno sauce? The quesadilla comes standard with creamy jalapeno sauce, but they don't actually tell you what it is. Well, I've done some digging on the internet, and I've went through quite a few different creamy jalapeno sauce knockoff recipes. All of them were good, but they weren't quite what I wanted. So I took it upon myself to make my own creamy jalapeno sauce. It's a little spicier than what Taco Bell gives, but I like the heat. So let's head to the kitchen and I'll show y'all what I came up with. All right, well there we go. I've got everything packaged up in Tupperware, ready to go into the refrigerator. Some of this is gonna go over to my friend, Bern, from Bern's Resale Shop. He literally eats it on everything. Him and myself actually love to eat this on a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit from McDonald's. You wouldn't think that anything ranch-based would go great on a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit, but you gotta try it. Overall, after you've done it once or twice, it only takes about 10 minutes to make. And it should last a little over a week in the refrigerator. I wouldn't push it much longer than that just because I'd rather be safe than sorry. But if you like it as much as I do, you'll probably go through it faster than in a week. If you do end up making it or have any questions about making it, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'm curious to see if anyone tries it and how they like it. Remember, this will be a little hotter than what Taco Bell offers, so if you don't want that much heat, feel free to take out some of the jalapenos, maybe the juice, and tone down the cayenne pepper a little bit. And as I mentioned before, some of the sauce is going to my friend Bern from Bern's Resale Shop. He eats it on everything, and I mean literally everything. But he's got a 10 to 10K challenge going on in his channel. He's gonna turn that $10 and flip it into $10,000 by buying things from garage sales or flea markets and selling it online on eBay until he hits $10,000 profit. He has a lot of experience as a reseller, and if it was something you were thinking of doing or just curious to see what his progress is, go ahead and head over to his channel and check him out. I'll leave the link in the description below. Or feel free to check out my other channel, which is a gaming channel. The link will also be in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video.